Okay, so today is our class number 2, and we'll be going over websites in KV Core and marketplace tools. So I'll start with the website, and then we'll go into look into marketplace tools that's available for agents to use. So again, we log into, we go on kvcore.com and log into our profiles, and then the dashboard pops up. And then for your website and your IDX, you scroll down on your left, and you'll see Web and IDX. You click on that. So for this class, I'll be using Liliana's profile and Liliana's website for an example, and show everyone the tools and the customizations they can do. So once you click on Web and IDX, this window pops up right here. The first option is a website manager, site content, blogs, embeds and widgets. These are more advanced stuff, embeds and widgets, so we won't be going over this today. We'll be going over website manager, site content, and blogs. Every agent has already website built out like this, which is, for Liliana is her full name .thegrpgroup.com. So every agent has this website built out already for them. So if I click on this website, this is how it looks. So again, same thing, logo, search, sell, your agent, resources, partners, all the options are right here. And I'll just go over it quickly. And the websites are already connected with the MLS. So you don't have to go through IDX or anything like that. It's already done for you. So let's say if I go ahead and put Modesto here and search, I'm just going to hit search.
Sorry, you say that all the websites are connected to MLS?
Yes, yes.
So what is the purpose of the IDX?
Well, the IDX is already done for you, so you don't have to.
Because
only if you have to do the IDX paperwork if you're using a custom domain. But if you're using domain lianacalderini.thegrpgroup.com, then you don't have to use you don't have to do anything. It's already done for you. But if you're using a custom domain for your marketing, then you would have to use you have to do the IDX paperwork.
so what happened with that agent market that I had a domain with them?
Yeah, I think your domain is with GoDaddy, right?
Huh?
You bought your domain from GoDaddy, correct?
I think so.
Yeah, so we can connect that domain. I think it was homeswithlily.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we can connect that domain to this website. Where when people go on Homes with Lily, pretty much what we can do is we can just go into GoDaddy and forward GoDaddy.com to this website, LilianaCalderini.thegrpgroup. So anybody people go on homeswithlily.com, they would go to this website. So it's very simple thing that I can just quickly, we can just log into your GoDaddy account and do that.
Okay.
Okay. So just going over website, it's already connected to the MLS. There's nothing you have to do about it. And it's all done for you. And then over here, when you go on your agent, agent profile. So this is all the information that you have completed in your profile will show right here for you. And I think you did a good job on completing profile, Liliana. So your bio, your phone numbers, what's your position, languages, email me, all that information is right here for your website. People can send you a message from right here. And then all your social media links. So let's say if you have connected your Facebook, we click on that, and it will take a website user to your Facebook page. And same thing with Twitter and LinkedIn and Instagram. So if it's already connected, right? And if you have any listings, your own listings, they'll show up right up here. Right now it's showing all the office listings, but there's a setting where you can do just your own as well. So showing all the office listings we have right now. Okay. And then we go back to your website. Our resources. This is just a contact form for users to fill out if they want more information. And the partners link is same link that we discussed before, where all the vendors that we have, preferred vendors, will show right here. So this will be on your website. So that's a general flow of the website for agent website. Any questions on this so far?
How do you add pages?
Yes, I'm gonna get on that.
Okay.
If you scroll down on the home page, blogs, multifamily homes, land listings, featured homes, it will show just listed properties automatically for you. It will show just reduced properties as well. You can change it to like open houses, or there are other options available on the settings. And your about section goes right here. And then just bottom is just about the disclaimers and information that MLS requires for each website. Okay. So now we go back to kvCORE. So your question was, Juliana, how do we add pages, right? So once you're on the website manager right here, if you see down here, custom pages, right? You can click on view and edit. And add any custom pages right here by clicking on new page. You can title it, you can type whatever you want, URL, all that information right here to add any custom page on the website. That's up to you, however you want to do it. So any custom page would be added from this option right here. I'm going back now. This right here are some additional options. If somebody has a complete custom website or something, right? They've built it on their own. You can connect that website to kvCORE as well. But that's additional add-ons if someone ever wants to use it. But it doesn't apply to us right now. But there are add-on options if somebody wants to do that. And let's say you wanted to add blogs. You can add your blogs right here, just title and the content, and publish, and the blogs will show on your website if you ever want to do any blogs on your website. Any blogs that we do as a company on our company website will automatically show up on agent's website. But if you wanted to do something, more special for clients or something that you want to write up, you can do yourself as well, and this will go on your website. We already went on the custom pages. On service areas and SEO, I would recommend that whatever areas you serve, for Liliana, I just added Ceres, Modesto, and Turlock. But I would say that if you serve more areas, then you should add more areas. Let's say we want to add Stockton right here.
Mm-hmm.
So Stockton City. And this helps you if people are on your website, they can see, what areas you serve. So if I refresh your website right now, the bottom here, it shows that what areas you serve.
Mm.
So we just added Stockton. And when what happens is when people click on these links, Stockton, Modesto, it shows the most popular listing, most expensive, least expensive, right? Listing summaries, average price, all that information about Stockton market. It just gives clients what are the neighborhoods in Stockton, all that information about the particular city that we have chosen. So it's recommended that you add your service areas for your website. I'm going back now, again on Website Manager. And then the next option is testimonials. So on testimonials, if you have a Zillow account and you have some reviews on Zillow, you can just click on this option right here, Connect Zillow Reviews. And all you have to do is just use your email address for Zillow and your screen name and save, and automatically.
Use your interest rate lock. Okay. Good.
Automatically all the reviews from Zillow will start showing up on your website. If you have any testimonials or reviews from your clients,
You don't want to lose that awesome interest rate, right? 9/10 of 2020.
That's my problem with it.
I have to mute people, sorry. Okay, so again, Zillow. So if you have Zillow reviews, go ahead, use your email address that you use for Zillow, use screen name, hit save, and all your reviews from Zillow will connect to your website and to your account. If you have any custom domains, not domains, I'm sorry, any testimonials that might be on Google, that might be on Facebook, you can just go ahead right here, who wrote it, and then copy and paste the testimonial and click add, and this will show on your website for clients. So that's for testimonials to add on your website. I'm back on Website Manager again. Template is more of like what template you want. I think there's two options available. We'll go over that right now. Any questions anyone has so far on testimonials, service areas, custom pages, anything?
Roman, am I on the right one?
Is it? I'm sorry. Who was it right now?
Or you're with us.
Okay, I want to make sure that I was on the right meeting.
Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah, you're with us.
You are.
Okay, just making sure.
Are you using your phone?
I have to, yeah. For some reason, I didn't get the link on my computer.
Okay. Okay. It shows iPhone. That's fine. Yeah, you're on the right.
Okay, but I can hear you guys.
Okay. All right. Liliana, any questions? Linda, Ron, Jasmine, you're here as well. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. All right. Our next part is we can go ahead and click on edit settings right here. This is a long scroll down. I'm going to go over the options that are important. So you can choose your background image, whatever you want it to be. There are a few options right here. There are a few, you can upload your own image as well if you want to. but this is more like if I go on Facebook and if I share my, let's say, I'm on Facebook, I want to share my website, or even in any Facebook group, anywhere, I just hit copy and paste.
Yeah, I'm just not conference call right now.
And this is how the website would look, right? So it will show up like this right here. And you can post anything you would like to post about it. So it's showing the domain, it's showing Homes with Lily, buy and sell with Liliana. So that's your, so if as a user, or if anybody on Facebook would click on it, they would go to your website right here. You can also like search properties, let's say Homes, Modesto property search and share on your Facebook or any other social media as well if you want to. But that's the benefit for having a background image. Options available, or you can use custom one. I'm going to keep scrolling down and just go over the things that apply to us. There are a lot of options here, but some doesn't apply to us, or some are way advanced. So I'm just going to go over the stuff that's very important and that can be done like for this class, right? So this right here, force lead registration. So what this means is when somebody's on your website, right? When they click on the website, if they're searching a property or if they've clicked on a property, it just gives an option that when the pop-up box comes up for their information, for their phone number, email, and name, right? So normally it's after one property view. So let's say if they've viewed a one property and if they're clicking on a second property on your website, then they would get a pop-up box saying, hey, please complete this form, you know, with your phone number, email, or name. So usually it's one property view. You can do like different options here. Required registration after specified number of property views. Don't ask for it. Prompt registration, but do not require visitor to register. So it just depends what you want to do. But normally it's one property view. So that's important. But it's already set up as one property view. You can change it for anything. Website title is important, as when we go on right here. So right now the website title is Homes with Lily. So right on the top here on the tab, it shows Homes with Lily, right? So that's why it's important that you have a nice website title. So when someone opens your website, or even if you share on Facebook or anything, it shows the title about the website right here. So it's important that you set up your title for your website. This is more of like a meta description, buy and sell with Liliana Calderini. This is more for like Google and Facebook, and it appears when sharing on Google or Facebook. So this is more just detailed about your domain. And it's showing right here as well, buy and sell with Liliana Calderini. And you can change it, whatever you want to change it to. So website title and homepage meta description. Any questions on this so far?
My last name is misspelled.
Okay, correct. Correct?
Yes,
All right, I'm gonna save it.
thank you.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna keep going down. So this right here, like if you go on the website, there's an option right here, chat with me. So usually 95% people are on the phone, right? So when they click on that, and pretty much everybody has Facebook as well. So when they click on this, it will go to their Facebook Messenger, and they can chat with you right there if they want to. So for this, you would have to add your Facebook ID for chat, and I can also show you guys how to do that. But that just once you add this ID and hit save, so whenever someone's on the website, when they click on that, it will automatically go to the Facebook Messenger and start a chat with the agent, right? So that's the option right here for chat with me. This doesn't apply here. We got another option. Same here, testimonial options right here. If you wanted to show your Zillow testimonials, add your email and hit save, and it will take all the testimonials from Zillow and add it to your website. Template, they only have 2 options. So we're using Hero, other one is Foundation, but I think Hero is better. That's the one we're using for our company website and for agents' website. So if you wanted to change it to Foundation, want to learn how it looks, you can. But for now, we're using Hero template. And template themes mean different colors. So right now it's red Boston. If you want to change it to, what do you like? What color you like, Liliana?
Lady blue.
Blue? Okay, let's see blue. So I'll hit save. I'll go back to the website. I'll refresh it. It's all blue now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read the red one and
Yeah, so everything is pretty much blue now.
yeah.
So you can change to different, I mean, there are like, I believe 10, 20 options here around that.
I like the previous one.
Like the previous one?
Red Boston.
Yeah, that was the previous one.
Mm-hmm.
You changed that. So if I refresh it now, I'll show the previous one.
Mm-hmm.
This goes with your,
My shirt.
yeah, your shirt. Okay. This right here is because we have this video going on the back for Liliana, right, for her page. So pretty much this is on our homepage as well. If you don't want to have this video, you want to have some different video, anything, you can use a YouTube video ID and change it if you wanted to do it. But this is a video we're using on our homepage, company-wide, and all the agents. You can choose it to be something else if that's the case. And you can put that YouTube ID right here and hit save. Okay.
So that all pops up from just the icon. When you hit an icon, then you go to YouTube, then you type in what you want, and then all your stuff just comes up, connects people to that page. Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Scrolling. This right here, these options right here, this is more like, you know, if you wanted to have the chat widget, if there's like the option right here, chat with me. If you want it to be hidden, you don't want it to show in your website, you can just hide it. Just different options if you wanted to customize more stuff. Use black color on the header. Use primary color for header. Just depends what you want it to do. It's just more customization. What do you want? If you don't want your picture to be on the home page, you can hide it too, and so forth. This is a custom navigation option right here. So if you would like to change these options right here, you can change right here. Right now we have search, we have sell, finance, resources, agents. These are some submenus, hiring link, all these options right here, which can be changed if you want to. Okay. All right. This right here, listing carousels. So if you go down on your homepage again, you'll see options right here, just listed, just reduced, right? You can change these right here. So there's like 3 different options available. So let's say if you want to change just reduce to open houses, we hit save and go back to the website again and hit refresh. We'll show all the open houses coming up right here. And then you have 3 options. I think one is off right now, but you have option for my listings, just listed, just reduced, open houses, sold, or area, whatever you prefer on your website. So you can just change this and it will just start showing up on your website. Analytics, this is more advanced, but I mean, if you want it to connect to your Google My Business page and see what's the traffic on your website, how many people went on the website and stuff like that, you can connect it to Google Analytics and just know how many people went from Google to your website and information like that. These are advanced options because it's a company account, so it doesn't apply to the agents. Listings are more like what kind of properties you want to show on your website. So you can pick and choose right here and hit save and do accordingly. Default sort right here, that if somebody just put like Modesto on your search thing, how do you want listings to show up? You want the highest listings from highest to lowest or lowest to highest? How do you want the default sort to be? So you can pick from like bedrooms or bathrooms, square footage, whatever you want to be here. You can just select an option and it will just do it accordingly. Usually it's highest to lowest. So, the nice listings come up on your website. It looks better. Default display. This means that when someone search property on your website, if you go on the top, if I put here Stockton, and I hit search, the default is that you have a map on your left with all the listings in the market, and then on the right you have all the listings. But you can change it to like here. The client has an option to change, but on your website you can change it to default to be a list or a grid or whatever you want. I think map looks more advanced and nicer, so I would say that map is better. But you can have it like this way as well. Or you can have it grid view too, which looks like this. So it's what you prefer. And then on the side right here, it shows you, total listings in the market, new, reduced, all that information right here. Okay. Another option right here is if you wanted to add like more options on the search bar. So if you go back to search bar right now, so if you wanted to add more options, like you wanted to add more bedroom options, people to put in, accessibility, acreage, age range, and stuff like that, that can be added on the search bar as well. So if you go in here, So when you click on more options, you click on more filters, name, price, home type. So right here is showing year built to whatever they want, right? So they have more options to, and you can add more and more stuff you want to. I don't think so much is needed, but they just still provide you a lot of different options if you want to add more. So it can be all done for you. Okay. Any questions on this so far? And then just another thing, all your social media icons will be on the top right here as well. So your clients can, you know, they can click on it and go to your social media profiles if they want to. So all that are right over there too. Okay. Any questions on this so far? Hello?
I'm laughing because Liliana is literally raising her hand, like literally. There's a button to raise your hand.
Okay. I'm doing a screen share, so maybe I can't see it. Hang on.
Yeah, she's raising her hand. Oh, Liliana, I want to buy a house from you. Your website looks awesome. You're muted, silly.
Let me unmute everybody 1 second. So unmute.
I accidentally put my camera on. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be terrifying when you see it.
Well, I've unmuted it.
Thank you, Jasmine.
You're welcome, hon.
So once that you have a listing in MetroList, so it comes to your website. You don't have to do anything.
No,
No.
I'll go over that right now as well. Yes, next.
Oh, I'm going ahead. I'm sorry.
It will be automatic.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. But any questions so far on this?
No.
No, good.
Okay, so Liliana's question about listing, okay? So that on your navigation right here on your left, you go on listings. So pretty much you can see all MLS listings right here. Anything can be, but what you do is there's a filter option right here. When you click on that, you can click on My Listings and click on Apply Filter. And because Liliana, I'm under my account, so that's what's showing up my listing here. But if you have, once you're logged into your account, you'll see your listings.
Does this feature give you all the things that MLS gives you, or?
Yes, yes. So if I clear out a filter, it's showing me everything in the MLS.
Right. Okay.
And if I wanted to search like our company listings, I check on agency listings and I'll see only our company listings. So it's also showing like what agent has this listing, right? And if I apply a filter and click on my listings, I can just see my listings. So let's say I have this listing, right? I'm going advanced, but quickly, this is the next step I'm showing is more for like following class. But if you wanted to send out this listing to your client, you can just check the box here and just click on email listings and just type in the contact or type in the group of contact that you have and just send the listing out. You want to text to your client, you can just check the listing and hit text, and it will automatically be sent to your client.
Write
So,
it down, Jacob.
and that's the option we'll be going over next class. I think it's next class. But yeah, so answer your question, Liliana, yes, all your listings automatically come to the system and you don't have to do anything about it.
Awesome.
Okay. Okay. So that was those things. Let me go back to Webinar IDX again. Okay, blogs. Anyways, when you click on blog right here, if you have added any blogs, it will just show up right here. There's nothing right now, so it's not showing anything. All the blogs will show right here. So that's pretty much all for the website. Let me see, there's one more item I wanted to go over, 1 second. Let's see if there's... All right, I think that's about it for the websites. I thought I was missing something, but it's good. Okay, next I want to go over is Marketplace, which is right here on your left navigation as well, right under Webinar IDX. So these are more of like extra tools that KiwiCore offers. Some of these services are paid services, some are available at no cost, but these are extra tools that the system offers. If you wanted to do, Facebook advertisement or Google pay-per-click ads, you can do all that within the system. So you don't have to go anywhere else or learn something else to do all these things. So, but there's like option right here for Google pay-per-click ads. This is like Google ads, right? When we go on Google right now and we see homes for sale in series. So do you see these ads right here that says AD? Those are paid ads, right? So you can do these kind of ads for your like homes for sale in series, home for sale in Modesto, any area, and these ads will pop up on Google search rankings, and the users can go to your website, and then from there on, they can fill out the information or search for properties. As I said, that you can set up a pop-up box for after looking at the first property, they have to fill out the form to go check out the next property. So these tools are here for you. There are many different ones here, Facebook advertising and retargeting. There's some like if you wanted vanity domains, or if you want to have more custom domains, you can buy within KiwiCore as well, or you can buy somewhere else and then use it in KiwiCore, but you have that service as well. You can buy your custom phone number as well. Right now we have one phone number for company that's shared between all the agents, but what it does is, because of the AI, artificial intelligence for the system, it recognizes that which agent or which profile the call or the text is coming from. So it's always goes back to that agent, right? But you can buy your own smart number from right here as well. If you're using it in listings or you on your buy or sell things. We'll be going over Property Boost next class, which is a pretty good tool. Listing machine social as well. These are all next classes. And then this writer option for you, if you wanted to send handwritten postcards to your clients, you can do through this right here. And then next, if you're using any email marketing and stuff, you can connect it to constant contact as well. For social, this is already included service, which we'll be going over next class. Voicemail drop, I think we went over this in last class, that if you wanted to drop your client's voicemails, it can be done from the system as well. So that's available. And then SkySlope, testimonial tree and all these are already kind of connected to your accounts. So these are all the tools available to you for, and what we'll do is once we're done with our initial trainings, we'll just set up like a training on like few of the important ones that can be used on daily basis for marketing. We'll go over each one of these tools and how you can use it after our basic training of KV Core. But these tools are available for you right here to use. Okay. Any questions on any of these tools or any questions from our last class you guys had on profiles or CRM system, anything you guys want to talk about right now? We got like a few more minutes.
You know, when you take the class, after you finish the first class, they tell you to take a webinar. Do we have to take that webinar?
Oh, no, yes. Are you talking about Agent Success Plan?
Yes, when you did
Yes,
the classes that they
no.
gave you in there.
They recommend it. That's like a general webinar for everybody. So let's say whoever's new to the system and they're going through each class and then they tell you to take webinar. So you just hop on that webinar and then everybody from, like whoever's using KV Core will hop on the webinar and just ask questions, or if you have any questions, you can ask questions. It's recommended, but it's not required.
Okay.
So if you wanted to do it, you can, otherwise you don't have to do it.
Okay.
But it's very important that you go through that success plan for sure.
Yeah, success plan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Robin, you mentioned that agent marketing is coming down like September 22nd. Can they download, export, whatever, everything out of agent marketing and then import everything into
Of course.
KV Core?
Yeah, in my last class, I showed how to import leads into a system. I mean, we can go over it again. That's already in the video that we did that I posted on team page. But yes, if anybody has any leads in agent marketing, you guys can export it and upload into KV Core. And if someone needs any help how to export from agent marketing, just let me know, or I can just post like steps of doing it on team page, and you can send me an email as well. But it's pretty quick. Export all your data from agent marketing. But make sure you do it before September 22nd, because it will be shut down on September 22nd. Okay. Any more questions? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna do a quiz on this thing.
Oh, no.
To Gloria.
Whoever answered, they got a gift card.
Yes.
Oh, that would be nice.
See who said that? Who said it would be nice?
Gloria.
Linda.
Oh,
No, Linda.
Linda. Okay, Linda. All right, next class. Before we start the next class, we'll be doing a quiz on this class. Let's see who answers. We'll do a gift card on that.
Oh, good. Next class. Okay, cool. So I can watch the video and study. Okay, got it.
Right.
Thanks.
I will give you a chance to watch a video as well. Let's do that.
Well, if not, you should erase it. I got my 5 seconds of fame. Oh my God.
That was good, Raman.
All right, cool guys. Then I think I'll post the video on team page and by tomorrow or the after tomorrow. And I think our next class is on I believe it's on Monday. Let me check. Check on my phone. Give me 1 second so we all make sure. Yes, it is on 14th. Yes, Monday at 3 p.m. And on that day, we're going over how to market your listings. So basically, it'll be all about listings and different tools you can use within the system to market your listings.
Cool.
And the next class is about how to generate new leads with landing and the squeeze pages. So we'll be going over in class number 5. Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Gloria.
Bye.
All right, I'm gonna end it right now.
Bye-bye.